Whoa, what up? What's up? You already know the drill. See the orange Nike box? We got the Air Vapormax Plus and the Obsidian Blue and Photo Blue. Now here it is. The the Air Vapormax Plus. A lot of people going crazy about these. I don't know how they're gonna do, but they also got an orange pair. We got them in too. I'm gonna do a little review on those too, man. But yeah, looking at the shoe, the whole upper has that upper like the older Air Max. I apologize, man. I don't remember which ones it was, but on the inside you can see the Vapormax Air on the inside. Under the bottom you got that I don't know what you call it, but I'm feeling that. See the blue Nike check under the bottom. I mean, it's a dope shoe, man, especially if you're into running shoes. You feel me? But yeah, man, I'm gonna make this one quick. We're not gonna take too much time on it. I am gonna do it on feet at the end of the video too, man, so y'all stay tuned for that. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick little review, let y'all see them, let y'all get a little visual of them, see what they look like on feet and whatnot. But yeah, man, I don't remember the release date. Like I said, excuse me, I didn't do my research on it. You know, I need to touch my game up a little bit when it comes to stuff like that. But yeah, man, that's a quick look at the Air Vapormax Plus. And like I say, man, y'all stay tuned, because I got our own foot coming up. And I want to thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at PeddlersAir504 and the Sneaker Peddler. And I'ma holla back.